Hello students, today we are going to simplify the brackets. So here are two brackets given. First is the big bracket 7 divided by 7 multiply 7 plus 7 minus 7. Bracket close minus, again big bracket is there, 5 minus 5 plus 5 into 5 divided by 5. So we will use here the rule of BODMAS, where BODMAS stands for B for bracket, O for off, D for divide, M for multiply, A for addition, S for subtraction. Now first of all we will solve the brackets here. There are two brackets, so we will solve them differently. Okay. So 7 divided by 7 multiply by 7 plus 7 minus 7. So first of all we will apply here the divide according to the BODMAS rule. So 7 divided by 7, it will come out to be 1 multiply 7 plus 7 minus 7. Okay. Afterwards, after division we have to do the multiplication. In the next step we will do the multiplication. 1 into 7, that will come out to be 7 plus 7 minus 7. Then it is addition. Addition means we will add it. 7 plus 7, 14 minus 7, and last is the subtraction. So 14 minus 7 will come out to be 7 here. Now we will solve the another bracket here, that is 5 minus 5 plus 5 into 5 divide 5. Okay. So this bracket will be solved again using the same BODMAS rule. So we will solve first the division part. So 5 minus 5 plus 5 into 5 divided by 5, that will come out to be 1 here. Then the second step is multiplication. So 5 minus 5 plus 5 into 1, that is 5 here. Then add the numbers, addition part, 5 plus 5, that is 10 minus 5, and last is the subtraction. 10 minus 5 comes out to be 5 here. So we have solved out both the brackets here. This comes out to be 7 minus this comes out to be 5 here. Let us put the values over here. So we get 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. I hope you understand this simplification of this question. Let us do one more here. That is 60 minus big bracket 48 minus curly bracket 16 plus small bracket, then curly bracket close, and then big bracket close. So whenever you are having the question regarding the brackets, so you will solve the inner brackets first. So here the inner bracket is 8 plus 4. So we are going to solve that first. Rest all the numbers you will write down as it is. Minus 16 plus 8 plus 4, that is 12. Close the curly bracket, close the big bracket. Next step, you will solve this bracket. 48 minus 16 plus 12, that is 28. Close the big bracket. Okay. Next step, 60 minus 48 minus 28. So we will solve this bracket. 48 minus 28, it will come out to be 20 here, and 60 minus 20, that is 40. Very easy. First of all you will solve the inner bracket. Afterwards again the next curly bracket, again next the big bracket. Then all the brackets will finish, and then you will solve it out. 60 minus 20, that is 40. Let me take one more question. Next is 100 minus big bracket 20 plus curly bracket 40 minus 30 minus 20, small bracket close, curly bracket close, then big bracket close. So first of all we will solve the inner bracket over here. That is, rest all the numbers will be as it is. 20 plus curly bracket 40 minus 30 minus 20, that will come out to be 10. Close the curly bracket and then big bracket. Again the next step you will solve the next bracket, that is 40 minus 10. So rest all the numbers you will write down as it is, plus 40 minus 10, it will come out to be 30. Now the next step, you will solve this bracket. 100 minus 20 plus 30, that is 50. So 100 minus 50 will come out to be 50 here. I hope you understand this question. Let us do one more question here. That is curly bracket, small bracket, 31 minus 9 plus 8, small bracket close, divided by 10, curly bracket, multiply by 15 plus 5. So this question is also very different question. Let us do it. First of all, we will solve this bracket here. This bracket will be solved out. Okay. Curly bracket, 31 plus 8. 31 plus 8, that is 39. 39 minus 9, it will come out to be 30. Divided by 10. Multiply 15 plus 5. Okay. Next step, 30 divided by 10. It will come out to be 3. Multiply 15 plus 5. Now what will you choose here? You will first add or you will first multiply? Yes. We will add first or multiply? We are going to multiply because according to DMAS, multiply comes first and addition comes after it. Okay. So 15 threes are 45 plus 5, that is 50 is your answer. I hope you understand it. So please, rules should be followed. So you have to solve the brackets using the BODMAS rule only. I hope you understand it, and for more these type of videos, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much.